Hi friends, let's see how to install Tomcat in Linux. Just search Tomcat download, click on the first link which is showing here and go to the binary distributions. Under this you can see either zip or tarball. Okay, anything is fine. Just copy this link address, go to your Linux machine and create a fresh directory Tomcat. Go to Tomcat and wget give the link. Okay, so this is before prior to that prerequisite for this Tomcat is JRE. Okay, Java JRE or JDK, anything is fine. Okay, and so when it comes to Tomcat, first I'm doing download. What is the link, what is the command I'm using? Wget space and then this is the link. Second one is uncompress. Okay, uncompress this file. Okay, to uncompress this file, z unzip. Okay, give the file name and you can see this has been uncompressed, that gz has been removed now, and at the same time you can see the difference in the size also, size of this file. Okay, now extract this. Okay, extraction tar-1 xvf space tarball. Okay, so what I'm doing here, okay, g unzip, this is the command. There must be .gz here, and then third one is extract. For extract tar-1 xvf space tarball, and then very simple, just go inside this Apache directory and you can see a lot of directories bin conflict so on so you just go inside the bin directory. So I am inside Apache Tomcat under this bin directory. Okay, here you can see a lot of you can see the files with bat. You can see ll star.bat, ll star.sh. You can see the files with the extension .bat, the extension .sh also. So this sh file you have to use for Linux or Unix flavor machines. This batch files you have to use it in the Windows machines. Okay, right. So to start this Tomcat, just run the command sh space startup.sh, sh space startup.sh. Okay, so this will run in the this will run the Tomcat in the foreground as a foreground process. Okay, just run it. Okay, and now this is this has started the Tomcat. If you want to monitor this, okay, go inside the logs directory, okay, and you can see the file called catalina.out. okay, I am inside the Apache under logs. Okay, you can see tile-ef space catalina.out file. So this your server is coming up. Okay, initialization processed. Here deploying the web application directory, it is deploying the web applications. Okay, it is still in progress. Okay, at the end it should display Tomcat server is up and running in these many seconds. Okay, till that you have to wait. Okay, till that time you have to wait, and meantime if you want you can also access that URL. okay, you just give http :// IP address :8080. 8080 is the port number for Tomcat. Okay, it is still not at up and running. See that it is still deploying. Okay, okay, see now you can see the progress now. See this is the message it should display at the end. Okay, server started in these many seconds. So now you can see the output also here. Okay, This is IP address colon, this is the tomcat port number, this is the port number which is displaying here, HTTP port number 8080. This is the port number, right? So this is how we have to install the tomcat in Linux machine. Thank you so much. Keep watching Advith DevOps World for many more videos in future. Please do subscribe for many more videos also. Thank you.